Right, it's literally sunset. Give me a second. Right, today I am taking this for its very first trip outside. This, oh, I've got some dirt on it. This is the LowePro PhotoSport 70-litre AW Mark III backpack, and it's specifically designed for people doing photography, video on multi-day trips. And I have overloaded this thing to the gubbins, and today I'm going to show you everything I've got inside it and a really quick overview of some of the features. It's 70 litres. It's made of this really good material, which is something, it's like 70%, it's a 70% recycled. This is a bag type I've been searching for a long time. It's something that carries enough stuff that I can go camping in the winter and bring a lot of camera equipment in it as well. I mean, if you look at this, this looks like your standard 70-litre backpack. You can see I've got stuff in the bottom, bottles on the side. And you can also store, I had the tripod that was on here, was on the side before. It's got a nice lid on the top. There's a waterproof cover in here that you can put over it. Features that make this somewhat different. You'll notice in the front there is a zip because it has very nice fully front access here. Now at the minute I've got a jacket in there, but if I wanted I could have access to my camera equipment. But we'll flip it around and I'll show you where this really starts to come into its own. Flip it around on the back and you can see here you've got LowePro's active lift shoulder strap system here, and the waist straps, which I looked at these when I got this, didn't buy it. LowePro sent this to me. Thank you, LowePro. Please continue to send me expensive goods. Very expensive by the way. This bag is close to £500. So definitely a niche bag, but if you're a photographer or a video person, that might be worth it for you. You can adjust these straps up and down as you like. Really thick straps and a waist harness, which I found we were out for a 2-hour hike with this and no problems. I've got this packed. It must be 17 to 20 kilos in this bag. I was fine. It was really, really comfortable the entire time I was out. So in terms of comfort, no problem. But this is the cool bit. This is the cool bit, because drop it down and suddenly you see there's a zipper. Zip the zipper. Watch this. And there's a camera compartment inside, in here. And in this, I've got a Fuji X100. I've got a drone in here. I've got a spare lens for my Sony, which we're currently shooting this on. And I can also fit in there a full frame mirrorless with a big lens on it. I've got a 24 to 105 on the camera, a spare lens, a drone, a small mirrorless camera, spare batteries, and a microphone. All fits in here, all nicely protected. Because it's on the back here, I'm not dumping the straps on the ground. I can just put it down flat, sits nicely, open it up, really quick access to my camera equipment. So I'll quickly show you everything I've got in this backpack. I can first of all detach the top, brain, if you want to call it that, which is quite nice because I tend to keep my personal items in this. So this ends up sitting in the tent up close to my head. That's it. On the bottom section, I've got my tent, got my foil mat, and in the bottom here I've got insulated trousers, tarp, silk liner for my sleeping bag. I've got my camping pillow, my sleeping bag. Let's open up this bit and take some stuff out of here. Insulated jacket, my water bottle, unclip zippy sleeping mat, personal items, my cook set, bag of food, camp light, my thermal underwear, all my camera stuff in a nice cube. In the front here, there's a nice layers section for your layers. So I got my waterproof trousers in there, and I got my waterproof jacket. That has a place in the front to attach your hiking poles as well. Lots of securing points for attaching things. And that is everything I can get in this pack. From the front and outside, it looks like there's no frame in this, but is actually on the inside. There's an aluminium frame that runs the full height of this. So the back of it is actually quite rigid and it does sit against your back, but the points of contact are really just these plus the strap, so it is lifted off your back and it does seem to be quite good airflow. I was out for 2 hours, my back didn't get like crazy sweaty. What I think of this so far, having used it, well, so far I'm really impressed. It was really comfortable despite all of this stuff you see being stuffed into this. I suspect this is probably going to become my go-to bag for multi-day trips. I do have a really good Osprey bag, but there's no point keeping 2 bags the same size. I'm probably going to sell the Osprey and keep this because in general this bag suits me a lot more. Now there are a couple of things about this bag I'm not not thrilled about. One of them is that the waist straps don't come with, there's no pockets in here, so I can't have like anything around my waist handy, which is a bit of a loss. I mean, you can plan around it if you know that's going to be the case, and maybe like, because there's attachment points here, I could put something else on. And it does come with a range of accessories, including this little phone holder that you can put on a strap, so I can put my phone in there. And there are other accessories that allow you to, there is also a strap that comes with it, so you can then put this around your neck and carry this just like a little satchel. You can also do the same thing with the, where's it gone? With the brain. So I forgot the spare straps, but you can hook into the buckles on here. There's a strap that comes with, and you can flick it around, click, click, and then you can wear this like a little. That's the bag. A little bit niche, a little bit expensive, but if you're somebody like me who needs to carry a lot of camera equipment as well as a lot of hiking gear, this might work out quite well for you. So I think David has managed to put up his entire tent in the time I've been blabbing here, so I need to go and put mine up before it gets a lot colder. David, what do you think of the backpack?
Looks really good, yeah.
He says it looks really good. That's all he had to say. Right, so hopefully you find this video informative about this bag. If you're not interested in this bag, that's fine. There's other videos on this channel, outdoors, hiking, running, technology. Have a look around, might find something else you like. It's quite windy. By quite windy, I mean it's exceptionally windy. I should probably get into my tent and hunker down for the morning. I am so glad that I had enough space to bring so much stuff with me. We were able to sit in the forest with a tarp over our heads, nice and dry, while waiting for it to get a bit later. And yeah,